Pyro Patriots, how you doing? Another day living on Freedom Land. Yes, indeed, it's that season. Fireworks season has begun. We just got back from the old Red Apple 2018 Extravaganza demo. It was amazing. And of course, we brought back a couple of shelf novelties. Well, here's one starting. Let's get the terminology right. We know it's not a novelty. This is a standard size 16 shot Winda standard cake. Yes, Winda Avalanche standard cake, also known as a 200 grammer. Let's get ready for the ignition. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and get ready for this ignition. Very exciting, very, very exciting. I'm just thrilled. When it comes to these fireworks, I mean, you have to understand once you start lighting them. We're getting this fuse ready here. Alright, and let's walk and get some ignition going on this nice Avalanche standard size cake. We should have a lot of motivated gym patrons seeing some fireworks. Hopefully it kickstarts their workout. And in just a minute here, let's go ahead and get this. And Pyro Patriots, here we go. Ooh, nice. Nice. Beautiful. Nice colors. 16 shots. Thank you, Red Apple Fireworks 2018. Here we go, setting the tone.